I have recently posted this photo on my Instagram and it looks like you guys really loved it. So let's open it up in Photoshop and let me show you how I edit these photos. So this is the PSD, the whole PSD, and yeah, you guys can see I'm quite organized. So let's start with the background itself. So as you guys can see, this is a clean plate to do all the manipulations. I knew I needed a clean plate to do all those manipulations. So this is our background shot. Then we have a clean photo of the box only, and let's mask it out. And then here is the cover. Let me show you the real image. Yeah, I don't have anything to rig the case in this position, so I just hold it with a box and I masked it out. And then we have the quick guide and user manual. So just add some light, add some curves, and it looks great. Then we have the phone itself. Now it's looking a bit dull, plain, so let's add some rim light to it. Yeah, I have shot a whole image with the rim light on, and if I mask it out, it looks like this. Then we have the box, the never settle box. Let's add some curve and yeah, a slight light on the box looks great. Then we have the main red box. As you guys can see, I have just hold the box with my left hand. I have clicked the shutter with my right hand. Struggles are real. So let's mask it out. And then we have something like this, but the edges are not that great. So we have to add some light to mimic the light source we have on the real photo. And then we have another light source just to fake the light. And then the final mask. And our red box is ready. So this is the red cable. And let me show you the real image. Yeah, I have to hold it like this for a perfect spiral. And okay, so if we just mask out the cable, it looks like this. So yeah, we have the iconic red cable, and then we have the charger. Sorry, here we have the charger, and if we just remove the mask, see, I have to just hold it from this part so I can mask it out clearly. And if we just mask it out, see, a clean mask. And then add some light and the image is ready. Now we have to add just some brightness to the photo, and as you guys can see, the box doesn't have anything here, like nothing as we can see. So we have to add this 30 because this is the OnePlus 13's unboxing shot. And we have a gradient fill here to, like, here we have too much light. I think that's a bit distracting, so I have added a gradient fill. And then, as this is the unboxing shot, let's add some unboxing text behind the objects, subjects, whatever. So yeah, this is the full image. So that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. I am traveling, so I couldn't make a full-fledged video, but I really didn't want it to miss Sunday uploads. So here's a short video for you guys. So that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. And if you liked it, do let me know in the comment section down below, so I will make more videos like this in the upcoming weeks. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.